Now let's talk about perspective in text. In CorelDraw, you can add perspective onto your text. So for example, here we got the word perspective here, and I want to add some perspective on this text. It's an effect, so you go to effects and click on add perspective. Then when you click on add perspective, you're going to have this 4 nodes, and you can drag that going down, or you can also make this one. So there's an illusion of their perspective. And if you look at this X here, that's the vanishing point. You can click on that and you can actually adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it like that. Now that's useful, especially when you're doing a product presentation, or let's say you've got a box wherein you have to put perspective on the text. Okay, the thing you have to remember too, if you're doing a paragraph like this, and I did Control V to type in my paragraph or my text. Let's say you've got a paragraph like that. I'm gonna increase that. You cannot create perspective effect onto a paragraph text. Okay, so for example here, I click on my paragraph text and I click on effects, and then I go to perspective. It's grayed out, so I can't do perspective on a paragraph text. Okay, so what you have to do is you click on the paragraph text, you go to text here, and then convert it to artistic text first, or Control F8. Okay, so convert to artistic text, so it's no longer a paragraph text, it's artistic text. But now I can do perspective. So click on add perspective, then I can do perspective on my paragraph, on my text. There. Right. Now in page 2 here, I also have an example here where you can use the perspective text. Let's start with this one here first. Let's say I've got a software product here, a software box, and I want to put perspective on to make it realistic. So first of all, I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees, and then I'm going to put this on this side. It's going to enlarge it a bit, or maybe not. I'll just do it this way here. Now I click on effects and I click on add perspective, and what I'll do, I will just adjust this node here, and this one too. Okay, and this one. There. It's that easy. It's very easy to do it. Now going back here to you can actually group text and then put perspective on. Okay, so take note on this one. This one is not a paragraph anymore. It's an artistic text. So what I did, I converted the paragraph to an artistic text. So first you have to, gonna undo that. First you have to group the text first. So I select the text and then I go arrange and then group. Then once I group it, I'm going to position it onto my box. Okay, let's say that's fine like that. Okay, then I can go to my effects and add perspective, and then I'm just going to adjust it this way. Okay, maybe I can make this bigger like this. There. So that's how you adjust the perspective of your text. Okay. And you can still adjust the perspective even though you already applied to it.